This is stamp machine, postage machine from probably the 50s. Seeing that it sold either 3 cent stamps for a dime or 2 cent stamps for a nickel. That was a postage in about the early 50s. So this machine could have been anywhere from the early 50s to the early 60s. The patent applied for, made by Stamp Masters Incorporated, 118 Burlington Avenue, LaGrange, Illinois. Looks like it's got hand stenciled lettering and hand painted elements to it. It does work. It has a working lock and key. Everything's complete with this machine. It's in good condition. It has a few blemishes on the paint from years of use, but it is good condition. You can put it on the wall. It has the 4 rubber suction cups on the bottom. Again, hand stenciling. So it's a nickel and dime machine, and it does work. I'll put a nickel in or dime in on this side. Lever pushes down. So it'll kick it back. Another dime. There you go. And a nickel. I did thread the machine with some fake stamps because I don't have any rolls handy anymore, so we'll try a nickel on this side. There we go. And there it dispenses 2 cent stamps. We'll try it again, see if it runs a little smoother this time. There you go. Okay, so it is in working order. We'll take a look. The front lifts right off. Load the stamps right in that spool and thread it on down. The 10 cent, same thing. Gives you 3 stamps. So it is in good working condition. Once again, the lock does work. So thanks very much for looking. This is up for auction. Very cool machine. Make it yours. Thanks for looking. Bye.